What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing the brand new Mac Mini. This just came out. I have been wanting to get a computer for my display for the longest time now, and I almost got the Mac Studio, and I was like, you know what, let me wait for the Mac Mini to come out, and I'm so happy I did. I have watched a lot of videos from like Apple on like the powerhouse that this thing is, that they say it is, and I've never been disappointed when it comes to Apple and their products with iPhones, iPads, computers and all that. So I know I'm not gonna be disappointed with this. Before we unbox this though, I wanted to go through exactly what I got and how I customized it. I think it was really just one part that I added something else instead of the regular stuff it comes with. So let's go through it. So the configuration that I did is I got the M4 Pro chip with 12 core CPU, 16 core GPU. The 12 core CPU and 16 core GPU, I think that's like the basic. It's already selected when you go there, and then you can select the other one if you want the other one instead. And then I got 24 gig unified memory. I also got 1 terabyte. This is where I think my customization came in. Instead of the, I think 512 is the basic one, you can do 1 terabyte or the other one they have. Because I did the 1 terabyte, I had to wait for it to come for a couple of days, and also it was the holidays and all that, so I had to wait maybe like a week, almost 2 weeks for this to get to my house. Okay. If you do the 512, if I had done the 512, I would have picked it up in the store literally the next day, you know, when I ordered it, but I had to wait, so I just got it today. The other basic is just the Ethernet, and then 3 Thunderbolts, 5 ports, HDMI ports, all that accessory kit. But the customization really for me was the 1 terabyte instead of the 512. I also got the Magic trackpad. The Mac Mini in all its glory. Apple, they're so good when it comes to like packaging minimalist products, honestly. Stuff that just looks aesthetically pleasing. It has a power button right here, but we're gonna put that on for now and see what's in here. Of course, we just have a power cable and just their regular stuff, and that's it. Here is the wonderful Mac Mini. Their products is always a joy to open, I'm not even gonna lie. It just makes you so happy. You have all the, this is where you obviously put the power cable, HDMI, you have about 3 USB-Cs, and there's like 2 more. And that is pretty much it for the unboxing. So for the Magic trackpad, I'm just gonna do it with you guys on here, and then we're gonna set it up real quick because I do want to show you guys what it looks like. USB-C to USB-C. And here is the trackpad. It has a place for you to turn it on and turn it off. So I'm excited about that. All right, now it's time for me to set up this bad lady. We always say bad boy because I guess it sounds good, but bad lady, okay? Okay, we're gonna connect this on here, and this is going to power the Mac Mini on. Power button is right here underneath. We already have a USB-C cable. So what I used to do, I used to connect my laptop to the display and then use this keyboard and my mouse to edit. I don't know, it just did not feel the same. And I was like, I cannot wait to buy my Mac Mini, Mac Studio at the time, but then now Mac Mini. So I'm gonna connect this to here, and then this should automatically connect to the display. And then for the trackpad, it did come with this, but it should be Bluetooth, so it should automatically be able to connect to. We're gonna see. This is my first time doing this, by the way. So if you're out there and you have questions on how to do it, this video is gonna be for you. Now I'm gonna turn on my display and see. So you can see it's asking me to either turn on the mouse or a trackpad. So we're gonna turn this on. And then I'm gonna turn on the keyboard.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
All right, pair your keyboard. I already turned it on. Now I am going to connect my Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to sign into my Apple account. Now I have to verify it from my phone and put in the code that they sent me. Now we're here, continue, Apple Intelligence. If you guys have not updated your Apple devices, iPad, Mac, phone, please do. I actually have not had the chance to use that yet, but I plan on using it. Disk encryption, okay, we're gonna leave those on. And here is my Mac. I have to download the apps though, because I did set this up as like a new Mac. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I'm gonna stop the video here. So I do have more setups that I need to do. I have to connect my HDD to the display, you know, the computer and all that. So I will fit that in another video. I don't want to make this video too long and bore you guys. So we're just gonna keep this to the Mac Mini and the trackpad and all that. So far though, I am liking this, but that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next tech video.